How to turn off ad blocking on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the ad blocking option. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go down and click on this little option in the down here and click here. Now scroll down and you will find ad blocking option. Click on it and you can disable it easily from here. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.